Everyone now, just quickly, we have time. You can say you can take 1 minute, 2 minutes. Um, what changes you have noticed in your body or in your mind, uh, and what is your experience of coming here?
When we change in the mind and change in the physical state. Okay. So what I observed first thing about the physical changes, I am feeling very much fit and fine. My flexibility is increased, so I can do asanas much better in way now. Actually, before this session, I haven't tried yogasanas before. So initially, it was very much difficult for me to bend and do the asanas. But in last 40 days, I learned a lot, and now I can practice so many things better. Secondly, this 1 hour passed with you makes much changes and fills me with the energy for the rest of the day. And thirdly, regarding the state of mind, it induced some positivity in me, what I feel. Yoga is, what I feel, yoga is not for the physical part only, yoga is with the mental part also. Yoga brings very slight changes in your way of thinking and your mentality. And that I have observed.
Congratulations for causing it.
Now, little about you, Mr. Gopiji. I have seen so many yoga practitioners. They can do yoga very well for themselves. They can perform the asanas very well. But it is not important how good do you do. It is very much important is how do you get them done by the others. How do you teach it? So you are a good teacher and you get all the asanas done from us. That is the best part. Thank you. It was a pleasure to be with you.
Yes. Thank you for causing it for yourself. It is your great commitment, first of all, and your dedication too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Amma, behind. Thank you. Raviji behind. Amma is there. Yes. Jai Gurudev Amma.
She is very much impressed with the Shavasana.
Yes. That is complete mind relaxing, right? And body relaxing, right?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. I joined 1 or 2 days late, but once I joined, I did not miss any class. Almost 39 days I attended without miss. Almost every day I log in morning 6:20 sharp, and class experience is wonderful. When I was school days, I used to do yoga. After that, now only. Not only for yoga, but total day schedule is came in a perfect schedule. Earlier, I used to sleep 10:30, 11, 9:30, 9:45, whatever. There is no. Now I have been trying to sleep at 10 o'clock, and I have been waking at 5 o'clock sharp, 4:35, and that warm water, sprouts, raw food. What earlier sir told Sevashan, it is giving a good peace of mind, and everything is became a structure. I felt very happy, and not only me, my daughter Tapasya attended few classes. She felt very happy, and only thing she is unable to wake up in the morning. Okay, sir.
Great.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for causing it for yourself, getting it for yourself. It's because you put yourself 100%. So that's the great thing. Thank you so much. Yeah, Lakshmi Saraswati.
Mind becomes very calm and strong, and body becomes strong. And we come to know that what body wants to want Acharya, and what we have to provide it.
Very good. Fantastic. Great
Very
observation.
good.
Such a
Very
great
wonderful.
observation.
Yoga, but like this experience, we didn't get Acharya. This is super nice.
See, they made
Very
a remarkable statement. She said they could understand what body wants. Most
Yes.
of the times, we just simply neglect the body.
Yes.
It has so many requirements. One of them is, of course, definitely a stretch. You look at the nature, any animal as it gets up, it stretches so nicely
Yes, sir.
as it gets up.
Yeah.
Because of that, they are very healthy. They don't take any medicine. But we human beings, due to whatever the reason, lifestyle, this, that, tension, pressure, we forgot to give the necessary stretching that is required for our body. Since they brought the point here, I want to say this. We get the energy mainly because of 4 things: the right food, the right breath, the right exercise, stretch, the right thought. Then you are complete. As long as this is not settled, this is in hawk, this is causing turbulence, disturbances, we don't get the energy or that is necessary. So this is also one of the important aspect. Thank you for bringing that point out, getting the right stretch to the body. Saraswati.
Thank you, Acharya.
Great, fantastic. Yeah,
Yeah.
somebody else, please.
Sir, I noticed lot of positivity and energy for rest of the day. Mainly, that was one basic difference I noticed, and lot of improvement in the flexibility. Still a lot of back stiffness. I couldn't even bend properly, but now I'm able to do it around 60-70%. Maybe that 30% I'll improve it. And the fear of a teacher is also important to learn. So that makes me wake up on the time. Otherwise, we used to be lazy, skipping everything. But now we have that in mind in the night that we have a yoga in the morning. And that is also very important. And you are a very good teacher.
And incidentally, Prasunama is, of course, she's doctor. I used to stay just close to her for about 3-4 months when I was doing the summer camp in Hyderabad. We were using the facility of that apartment, and we were doing the enrollments from there. And from there, I got connected. She attended, of course, about a close personal class about for 10-15 days earlier. Yeah, thank you so much. That's your commitment again, no doubt.
Yogi, can I speak?
Yes, please.
One thing I would like to convince all of you, can you hear? That flexibility can achieve at any age. I know that on the first day, during the asana, I can reach my hand up to just towards the knee. Now I can hold my toes very nicely. So thing is that flexibility can be achieved at any age, but devotion must be there. Next thing, being a senior most in this group, no doubt after 60 to 65, the people start getting food very, very intervally. But these 40 days, I'm in habit of taking anything at any time. But during these 40 days, that habit is totally reduced. And now I come to know what need my body and what should I eat. That is very fantastic change. Third is that particularly yogasana. I am a man of physical, no doubt. I used to go for gym since last 40 years. But recently when I come to know about the Yogasan, of course I was knowing something about this deep, but in your these 40 days, I come to know that physical fitness gives only the physical strength to your body, but the Yogasan gives the mental strength to you, and definitely it gives a confidence and courage. Yogasan gives the confidence and courage for the man to adjust with the circumstances. This is very nicely I observed that how to face the circumstances, particularly in this age. This is very dangerous age, I could say. And another thing is that about you, being a educationist, I could say that no doubt you're a wonderful teacher, I already told you, and your way of teaching is so impressive that if you would have not gone in this field, then you would have been a very good teacher in any school or college or in any institution. So once again, thank you. Again, the next 40 days we will be with you. And,
Absolutely, yes.
definitely it will give a lot of support. And in next batch, from my family, about 7 to 8 members are joining. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chandrakantji. You have been a great inspiration to all of us. You know, your positivity and your dedication, and it's something really amazing. That gives a lot of inspiration for us to move ahead. Yeah, as you said, I noticed if you look at the first week of the video of doing asana, sometimes I can also show you that. I'm a Prasunama too. There is a lot of improvement, great improvement in most of you in terms of pose or the flexibility or that thing I could notice, and I was so happy with that. Especially even Prasunama, you have been doing so well now. Nice nowadays. I could see after getting the blocks or the taking the support, you're nicely doing it. Yes.
Wanted to hear something from you about what about you? Tell something about you, sir.
About me, yeah, definitely. Sure, I will share. Yes.
What you studied, why you came this side, and
Absolutely. Yes, I will share that. Yes. Okay, first let everyone complete, so I will share that quickly. Yeah. Yes, ma. Kanya ma.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Acharya. It was a very good experience, and I was doing but very irregularly. But now, since 40 days, it has become a regular and routine thing, and noticed good changes also in myself. I'll be more energetic till the end of the day, even after any of the work. I'll be doing with more interest, and I feel this is very good session, and hope it continues like this only.
Absolutely.
And you also made us learn few techniques from which we can improve our flexibility also. We feel it very difficult to do, but with your techniques we could do it in a much more easier way. Thank you very much.
Yes. So Kanyama is one of my friend's sister. She Divya, she was our brahmachari stream where we were learning under Guruji's Rishi Prabhakar guidance. So she is sister of our Divyama. Thank you for causing it. Jai Gurudev. Thank you so much. Yes, somebody else, please.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
This is the yoga is just a blessing for me, I thought, because every day I used to feel very energetic and active. First, it was first 15 days, I did not understand actually what it is happening. But after some days, few days, I got a mind relaxation in this. And when I missed the 2 classes, next day I was feeling very bad for that. And just then I noticed that it should be a regular practice in my life so that I could live my life better. And in this COVID time, everybody is pressurized about it. And now because I am doing this yoga, I don't feel anything about that. I feel very energetic and I am very thankful for you for giving me this opportunity to say something. And I am very thankful in bottom of my heart that you teach very well and your instructions were very nice. Thank you, Guruji.
See, there are SSY meditators. Of course, definitely you have that commitment.
Yes, sir, I'm Ram Prasad here.
Yes, Ramji.
One thing what we have to do is the flexibility in the body. As he put a lot, which helps us to do our daily routine works very well. And second thing is the instructions given by you. You should appreciate you have a lot of patience to repeat the same thing again and again and again, so that we all will become a perfectionist or at least near perfectionist, I can say. We all may not be a perfectionist as like you. And still some of the poses what they are given us, we could not able to even attempt also. Like the Sirsasana, I could not able to attempt. And some of the flexible things what you made it, also I could not able to do that. So hopefully we will do that in the coming 40 days again. Definitely will make it up.
It will. With your
during college days, we were in the NCC candidate, where the discipline was the first thing what we learned from it. The 4 hours or 8 hours training what we used to get in a daily or weekly, weekend basis. The discipline is the most important thing for the body. And the yoga will help us to get the discipline for the mind as well. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Definitely, it will happen. You have got that commitment and dedication. So you are coming every day and you're making it. We can see that as we go on improving our practice. Definitely, whatever the remaining things are there, it will happen. And again, coming to the perfection, we give our 100%. My 100% may be different than somebody else's 100%. It is not about the reaching out to the pose completely, but giving my best. So that is where we check, not the perfection of the pose. You understand, right? Like if there is a person, a child and a 60-year-old, when they both are running, it is not about who can run fast. It is about who is giving their 100%. So same thing that I could notice within from you. Thank you so much. Definitely, it will happen with that commitment.
Yeah, Guruji, I am Kiran, father of Mokshit.
Yes. I remember you very well. Yes.
So anyway, Mokshit has missed this session, but he is going to join in the next session because now his school timings are going to be changed. So
great.
From my perspective, yoga is the panacea for all our worries. And earlier I used to go to gym, okay, but now after starting this session, my stretchability has increased a lot, and even my temperament has increased a lot. So thank you, Guruji. We are going to continue even in the next session, and even my son is also going to join in the next session. Thank you.
Yes, your son is my favorite child. So he is very intelligent, of course, very quick learner. Earlier, when we had the thought of school, we want such kind of kids. If we had 20 such kind of children, that's it. Trust me, really trust me, I'm not just exaggerating. With the blessings of Guruji, Rishi Prabhakar, we can complete 3 years syllabus within just 1 year. that too with 95% plus of the marks or the knowledge of the textbook, when we have such kind of children. That is possible. Yeah, thank you for your commitment and your dedication. Definitely, he is welcome always. So anytime he is welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
And the other thing, okay, anyway, child thing has come, I would like to say. So along with this, I also wanted to give the children program of the learning memory or the technique of reading and all that. We could do about 70 to 80%, and from there we could not go ahead. One of the reasons is, see, whatever the techniques or the thing that we have borrowed or that we have been handling, it will not work when we force the children to do something. It should be as simple instruction as, hey, okay, let's go and watch movie. And let's go and read the textbook. It shouldn't make any difference between these two, statement in the mind. Then the wonders will happen. The moment when we say that, okay, let's go and watch movie or play, child has fantastic enthusiasm and energy. There is no pressure in the mind. But the moment it is said that, okay, let's go and read the textbook, lot of resistance from the mind. There is no freedom. So with that, things will not turn the way how we want. So then, from my part, I just gave the instructions to all the children and left it to them to do at their own pace and freedom. With force and compulsion, I don't believe in it. Or like the study shows that, reveals that with freedom we can achieve a lot, at least in the studies, in the academics. That's what we have been doing. So I didn't want to force the children to to be taught. But that environment is created when children are there with me for 40 days or 36 days during the camp. So that where they naturally pick up and they really want to do it in the inspired environment. So that's one part I would like to say. Yeah. Thanks to all the children, those who turned up and gave time. And many are helping in, of course, many great ways. It's been a great pleasure, an honor to be with you all, to get a little space in your life. That 1 hour time is my time. Whatever in your life, whatever you are doing, that 1 hour is my time. So for that, I'm really thankful. It is not about the money again. That money, whatever we keep, is for the commitment. A little, so that they don't feel like it is just some tamasha happening. So same thing. Yes, Jayashree, yes.
Before the session ends, I would like to say it is the modesty of Gopi. Like he is saying all these things, but it is his own things are there. He is having such a big capacities to do a lot of things. I'm just putting certain things which I know, and I have suggested him to be into a professions also, and I have told him, "Okay, you join one more profession, which is a noble profession, which I am doing for so many years. You join LIC." So I have told him to become a LIC agent to help everybody, not from the point of doing some business. There are so many things I am doing it from last 40 years. I know it how great job this is. So I have told him to take up this also, and I think we all need to support Gopi in that also, so that he takes up the things very well. And you also start, Gopi, evening batches also, and because there are so many people who wants to do it in the evening part also.
Yes, that yes, I think we are going to focus on US people, because already Mitaji, they have their family is there, another family, like they are about 10 people. Surely we will be starting evening batch. Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're about to say something. Go ahead. Sorry.
Feeling very happy and stressful with you. You are very inspiring teacher. Nice to be with you for this for 40 days. Still want to continue with you.
Yes,
Thank you.
we will. Thank you so much.
And actually, what I observed, you are teaching the very minute steps, very minute things, what to do and what not to do. These things are more important. Thank you, Gopi.
Once again, thank you very much. Perhaps I am the senior most in this group. Being an educationist, I must congratulate you that you are a very good teacher, no doubt. Particularly when the students, small boys above, the Abhinav, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Arad, when they are asking the question, you are dealing with them so politely and so nicely. That is the very, 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 very important quality of the teacher. That I like very much. Another thing is that I'm particularly telling to those all the kids like Lakshmi, Saraswati, excellent. Abhinav is also excellent. And all these kids, I want to tell them, please be continue. See, I am regular in gym since last 40 years. You won't believe. But when I joined these yoga classes, I come to know that gym gives only the muscle shape and little bit strength. But the yoga develops your mind, develops your thinking, and develops it, which helps in your study. So try to give at least 15 to 30 minutes daily for these asanas, which Gopi have been taught to us. So once again, thank you very much. And particularly, I haven't seen, I have no words to thanks Gopi, that I have traveled almost in every big sports institute like Patiala, Bangalore, even in Hyderabad. But whatever I come to know that what is the exercise teaching by yoga, that is only I appreciate. So kids, particularly you and all the parents, it is my humble request, try to encourage your kids to go into the yoga. Of course, nowadays, gym is also a very important case because that gives you the shape and shape of your body, bicep and tricep only, so that the t-shirt will look very nice. But it will not help in long time. I'm telling you very sincerely with a lot of experience. So, sincere advice to all the parents, be aware with yourself and try to perform all these asana in front of them so that they come to know that they should also do all these things. I will let you know how I trained my grandson. At present, he is that here, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will show him some of the asanas. He is only 6.5 years old. So whenever we are doing in home, definitely it affects our kids, our children, and our family members. So once again, thank you very much, Gopiji. Definitely, I am coming in the next batch. So whatever I come to know, I am very much regular. I am perfectly fit. I have no any sort of disease, no blood pressure, no heart disease. Only due to the accident, my left hip joint is troublesome. Doesn't matter. Even though I am performing almost all the asanas. Thank you very much.